Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that might surprise you: the hidden energy-draining effects of certain foods often labeled healthy. You might think that eating a salad or snacking on granola bars is the best way to fuel your body. But what if I told you that some of these healthy options could be sapping your energy levels? This video will explore how certain foods can leave you feeling sluggish and tired, even when you think you're making the right choices. We'll break down the science behind how these foods affect your body and energy levels, and highlight some common misconceptions about nutrition. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of which healthy foods might be doing more harm than good, and you'll be equipped with tips on making better choices that truly support your energy needs. So, stick around if you're tired of feeling drained despite your healthy eating habits. We're here to help you uncover the truth about these energy-draining foods and guide you toward a more vibrant, energized lifestyle. Let's get started on this eye-opening journey to better health. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Understanding energy levels. Maintaining high energy levels is crucial for overall health and productivity. When our energy is high, we feel more motivated, focused, and ready to tackle daily activities, whether completing work tasks, exercising, or spending quality time with loved ones. Conversely, low energy can lead to fatigue, decreased mental clarity, and a lack of enthusiasm, making even simple tasks feel overwhelming. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in sustaining our energy throughout the day. The foods we consume directly impact our body's ability to produce and maintain power. A balanced diet rich in whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables can help stabilize our energy levels. However, it's essential to recognize that not all healthy foods contribute positively to our energy. Some foods marketed as healthy may contain hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, or excessive carbohydrates that can lead to energy crashes. For instance, while a smoothie packed with fruits may seem like a great choice, the high sugar content can cause a spike in energy followed by a rapid drop, leaving you feeling drained. Understanding the relationship between nutrition and energy levels is vital for making informed choices that support your health and productivity. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into foods that may hinder your energy and how to replace them with better options. Stay tuned. Common healthy foods that drain energy. Some foods often perceived as healthy can lead to unexpected fatigue when maintaining energy levels. Let's take a closer look at a few of these culprits. First up are granola bars. While they may seem convenient, many granola bars contain added sugars and refined carbohydrates. These ingredients can cause a quick spike in blood sugar, followed by a crash that leaves you tired and sluggish. Next, we have Sure smoothies. While blending fruits and vegetables can be nutritious, many store-bought smoothies contain high amounts of sugar, even from natural sources like fruit juices. This sugar overload can lead to energy dips, especially if the smoothie lacks protein or healthy fats to balance it out. Low-fat yogurt is another food that might not be as beneficial as it seems. Often, low-fat versions compensate for the lack of fat with added sugars to enhance flavor. This can result in a product that, while lower in calories, may still contribute to energy crashes due to its high sugar content. It's essential to reconsider your choices and read labels carefully. Look for snacks and meals that balance protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates to sustain energy throughout the day. By being mindful of your consumption, you can make better decisions that support your vitality and well-being. The role of sugar and carbohydrates. Sugar and refined carbohydrates play a significant role in how our bodies manage energy levels, even in foods often labeled as healthy. For instance, while a better choice than white bread, whole grain bread can still cause blood sugar spikes, especially if consumed in large quantities or without adequate protein or fat. Similarly, many people consider fruit juices a healthy beverage that can be packed with natural sugars, which leads to rapid increases in blood sugar levels. When we consume these high-sugar foods, our bodies respond by releasing insulin to help regulate blood sugar. However, once the insulin has done its job, it can lead to a subsequent energy crash, leaving us tired and lethargic. This cycle of spikes and crashes can be frustrating and counterproductive, especially for those trying to maintain consistent energy throughout the day. Choosing alternatives promoting stable energy levels is essential to avoid these energy dips. Opt for whole fruits instead of fruit juices, which contain fiber that helps slow down sugar absorption. Additionally, pairing whole grain bread with protein-rich toppings like nut butter or avocado can help balance blood sugar levels. Incorporating complex carbohydrates, such as quinoa, sweet potatoes, and healthy fats and proteins, can provide sustained energy without the roller coaster effect. By making these mindful choices, you can support your energy levels and overall well-being. The impact of processed foods. Processed, healthy foods can often be deceptive, contributing to fatigue rather than providing the energy boost we seek. Items like protein bars and flavored yogurts are prime examples. While they may be marketed as nutritious options, many of these products contain hidden sugars and artificial ingredients that can undermine their health benefits. For instance, a protein bar might boast a high protein content, but if it's loaded with syrups and sweeteners, it can lead to a quick spike in blood sugar, followed by an inevitable crash, leaving you feeling drained. The importance of whole foods in sustaining energy levels cannot be overstated. Whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, and whole grains provide essential nutrients and fiber that help regulate blood sugar and maintain energy throughout the day. Unlike processed foods, which often lack nutritional value, whole foods nourish your body and support overall health. Focusing on minimally processed options is crucial to combat fatigue and enhance energy. Look for snacks that contain whole ingredients, such as raw nuts, fresh fruits, or homemade energy bites made from oats and nut butter. By prioritizing entire foods over processed alternatives, you can ensure your body receives the nutrients it needs to function optimally. This shift helps maintain steady energy levels and promotes better health and well-being. Make the switch today and feel the difference. Hydration and energy. Hydration plays a crucial role in maintaining energy levels, yet it's often overlooked in discussions about nutrition. Even healthy foods can contribute to dehydration if they are not balanced with adequate water intake. For example, while fruits and vegetables are packed with nutrients, they can also have a diuretic effect if consumed in large quantities without sufficient hydration. This can lead to a decrease in energy levels, making you feel tired and sluggish. In addition to drinking water, incorporating water-rich foods into your diet can significantly enhance your hydration status. Cucumbers, watermelon, oranges, and leafy greens provide essential vitamins and minerals and improve your overall fluid intake. These foods can help keep you hydrated and support your body's energy production processes. To maintain optimal energy levels, it's essential to prioritize proper fluid intake throughout the day. Aim to drink at least 8 8-ounce glasses of water daily, adjusting for factors like exercise, climate, and individual needs. Carrying a reusable water bottle can be a helpful reminder to sip water regularly, especially during busy days. Staying hydrated can improve focus, boost mood, and enhance overall well-being. So, make it a habit to drink enough water and include hydrating foods in your meals. Your body will thank you, and you'll feel the positive effects on your energy levels. Healthy alternatives for sustained energy. Choosing the right foods is essential when effectively boosting energy levels. Incorporating energy-boosting options like nuts, seeds, and leafy greens into your diet can make a significant difference. Nuts like almonds and walnuts are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, providing a steady energy source without the crash. Seeds like chia and flax seeds are also excellent choices, offering omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants that support overall health and vitality. Combining these foods into balanced meals can enhance energy levels while preventing those dreaded crashes. For example, a salad with leafy greens and a handful of nuts and seeds can provide a nutrient-dense meal that keeps you satisfied and energized. Pairing whole grains, like quinoa or brown rice, with lean proteins, such as grilled chicken or chickpeas, can create a balanced dish that fuels your body throughout the day. To make energy management even more accessible, consider meal prepping. Preparing meals in advance allows you to have healthy options readily available, reducing the temptation to reach for processed snacks when hunger strikes. By planning your meals and snacks, you can ensure you're fueling your body with the proper nutrients to maintain steady energy levels. Incorporating these healthy alternatives into your diet can improve your energy, focus, and overall well-being. Start experimenting with these foods and meal combinations today and feel the difference in your energy levels. Today's video explored the surprising impact of certain healthy foods on our energy levels. We discussed how items like granola bars, Sure smoothies, and low-fat yogurt can lead to energy crashes due to hidden sugars and refined carbohydrates. We also highlighted the role of processed foods, such as protein bars and flavored yogurts, which may not provide the sustained energy we need. Additionally, we emphasized the importance of hydration and how even healthy foods can contribute to dehydration if not balanced with adequate water intake. As we wrap up, remember that making informed choices about your diet can significantly affect your energy levels and overall well-being. You can maintain steady energy throughout the day by eating whole foods, incorporating energy-boosting options like nuts, seeds, and leafy greens, and practicing meal prepping. If you found this information helpful, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insights on health and nutrition. We'd love to hear from you. Please share your experiences with energy-draining foods in the comments below, and let us know how you manage your energy levels. Explore our related content for more tips and tricks to enhance your health journey. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the following video.